Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today we're at Seymour, Missouri. It's the annual PowerFlex Appreciation Days, Customer Appreciation Days. They have several different exhibitors here profiling their products, and they have just a host of different things going on in the next day and a half. This is it's crazy. I'm just tracking the days. Today is July 25th, and it'll also be going on tomorrow, the 26th, on Saturday. So they have some lunch here. There's going to be several speakers, including myself, and some exhibitors giving some talks on their products here at Seymour, Missouri. Hope to see some of y'all here. If you're in the Seymour, Missouri area, check it out. Just go to the website, PowerFlex Fence, and you can see the schedule there, and maybe we'll see some of y'all here. And it'll be a good opportunity to meet other grazers and see new products. Y'all have a good one.